Hello children, in this video we are going to discuss type 3 of conditional sentences, that is conditional clauses with unfulfilled conditions in the past. As it is evident by its name, unfulfilled conditions in the past. So this clause contains a condition that was not fulfilled, completed in the past. I have given you a sentence that is, if they had helped me, I would have succeeded. In this sentence, if they had helped me is the if clause, that is also known as conditional clause, and in this clause I have stated a condition that had not been completed, that is if they had helped me, which in reality they had not done. In reality, they had not helped me. That's why at present time, I am regretting on the condition which had not been completed in the past. The rules for these sentences are very simple. First one, in if clause, the past perfect form of verb is used, and in main clause, we can use would have, could have, might have. Any one of these three verbs plus third form of verb. If clause and main clause I have already explained to you in the first video of conditional sentences, that is part 1. I have given you a structure also so that you can understand these sentences very clearly. Once again I want to remind you that a conditional sentence has two clauses, if clause and main clause. So if you are writing if clause in the beginning, in that case your structure is, first you need to write if, after that subject, after that had, you may write not also if your if clause is in negative, after that third form of verb, after that other words, after that single comma, after that subject of main clause, after that would, could, might. Any one of these three modal verbs, after that not also if your main clause is in negative, after that have, after that third form of verb, after that other words if they are given in your sentence. I have given you an example, that is, if he had worked hard, he would have passed the exam. In this example, I have used past perfect tense in the if clause to talk about the condition that had not been completed in the past, that is, had worked hard, which in reality he had not done. In reality, he had not worked hard, on which he is regretting at present time. And I have used would have plus third form of verb, that is would have passed, in the main clause. It means I have used past perfect tense in if clause as it is given in rule number 1, and would have plus third form in main clause as it is given rule number 2. One more thing I want to tell you, sometimes in examination they give a sentence like this, that is given, if he had worked hard he would have passed the exam, and they ask to rewrite the same sentence by using had in the beginning. If you have to do this, the rules are very simple. You have to keep only one thing in your mind, that is, first you remove if, which I have highlighted. First you remove if, and then in place of if write had, as it is given, if he had worked hard he would have passed the exam, and that is given, had he worked hard he would have passed the exam. One more thing you should remember, that there must not be any changes in the main clause.